Hey there everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is the place where we explore, create and grow fast with technology. In today's video I'm going to show you how to generate QR code using Canva. You can send this to your friends or post it in your social media account as an invite to subscribe to your YouTube channel. Fast and easy. So let's get started. First, log into your Canva account. Create a design from scratch, or you can choose a template and customize. Edit the template. Delete unnecessary elements. Now here's how to generate QR code or quick response code. Go to Apps in the left panel and browse the app Generate QR or search for QR code. Click on Generate QR. You need to enter the URL of the website you want your client to access. For example, my YouTube channel, we need to visit our YouTube channel, so we'll get the URL. Just copy and paste it to the QR generator, then click on Generate QR code. Now you already have a QR code. You can resize it or place it in whichever position you want. Edit the text to add call to action. I'd like this QR code to redirect to my YouTube channel, as this is an invite to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Enhance the overall design. If you are done, then it's now ready for download. Click Share, then click Download. Just be sure to choose PDF or PNG file type. Try sending it to your friend or relative if it works. Ask them to try scanning if it really works. And it does. The QR code redirects to my YouTube channel. So I hope this video give you an idea on how to generate QR code for quick and easy response. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video.